I got Muslim Candace. Stop putting your fingers in my vlog. Look at Shani. Auntie. She wearing green beat on support. Love my mama. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
It's vlog with a V, not a B. Kaden, where he at? He being a fish, like always. We're going to our place now, y'all. My hair looks crazy. Ooh.
Yeah, I think we are going to need
You could go up your house, we supposed to get over here. Oh, there's somebody here. Or that's him. That's Coach? Oh, no.
that's the lady.
That's the lady. That's she said. Mom, we're here. Not the mom. Yeah, we're here. Yeah, it's so hot, bro. These heavy ones are so thick. I'm scared. I'm on a hill and fall down. I'm going up. More steps right there. Excuse me. Ooh, ooh. Sorry. Oh, look at the kitchen. Let me go put this down. This egg is hurting my back. Okay. This is nice, y'all. I'm about to devour this orange juice. No. On the plane.
Wait, you bought it or they gave it to you?
They gave it to me.
I was sleeping when they went out.
Yeah, well, that's why I'm about to go take a good shower. I'm about to take a shower. Ooh, this is not. Y'all see that? I won't be able to get in there no time soon because I'm on my period, unfortunately. I'm sick in the ocean. I know, I'm so happy. Okay. Yeah, I'm really loving it. That's big. That's where we came from. They're mad people. I'm about to go eat some cereal, guys. Y'all crazy. I thought I wasn't. It's locked. Oh, this is the garage. Okay. Yeah. This is the master, they said. Excuse me. But. Well, okay, walk-in closet. Bathroom. There's hella bathrooms in here. This is big. This mama be every morning. Probably gonna sleep with my mama. Out of breath.
That our room?
No, this the master. I don't know where our room is. I didn't see it. And it's this. I think that's the outside. Yeah. Ooh, that sunshine. Look at the view. Imagine waking up every morning to this view. Look at Candace on the other side. Got water. Look at that. Ooh, the flowers. I wonder what this is. Oh, she got sunscreens, bug spray, air freshener. That's nice. That's nice. Just the other side of the balcony. How the water feel? You felt it? Oh, this feels warm. It feels nice. I don't like salsa, but look at them. They're in the backyard. Take some pictures over here.
Oh, you have lots of
Look at
places.
this. The view is beautiful. Look at her. This is what we were seeing. Ooh, I'm scared. Ball.
You gonna
Look
take
at
my
her.
picture over here?
No.
You are. This is gonna boom picture.
I almost fall. Oh, look at the tanks. Wow, y'all see it's so pretty. I look crazy. I look crazy. Not Sharma. I'm gonna send him a video. I want to go shower badly. The allergies is acting up. It's so confused. I need to put this in fridge because I want it nice and cold. It's real. Grenada life. Yeah, y'all see it. You Aggie. Y'all see it. This is where we staying for the next 6 days. Oh, let me put this in fridge. Oh, y'all see this kitchen now? Me cooking, stripping it up. Breakfast on me. Oh, she got us a wing. That's the meat. They said it was cereal here. Where is that? Oh, what's that for exactly? Look at me here. I'm trying to see where the cereal is. Hi, everyone. Okay. Milk, sugar. But where's the cereal? Nope, still not the cereal. Did I check these covers? Our plates. Put up the groceries. Where is it? I don't see no cereal. Yeah, that master is so pretty.
What?
The master.
Where is it? Oh, in here?
Yeah. The bathroom and the walk-in closet is life. Alright, so I think I'm about to go edit and then like shower, edit, and do some homework. Y'all look at the sunset. Wow. Look how pretty it looks. Look how pretty.
Wait, I need that camera.
Y'all see my view? Ah! Y'all, we about to go. We went hunting for food, and we're about to go hunt again and go to the supermarket. Hey y'all, we in the supermarket with it.
I'm listening.
These are not in US dollars.
Only the food. Everything else is.
Eastern Caribbean dollars.
So everything else is.
I think
I don't know how it does.
So that's like $20-some.
$90 is $33.
Girl, I'm in algebra too, but I still suck at math. There's juice right here, Auntie Top of can, but I don't really like these types.
You got that cranberry juice?
That ain't real bitter to me, but there's apple juice too.
Well, it's probably cheaper, right? It was $36.
I'm assuming everything that big price is not the real price, cause ain't no way.
I don't know.
Y'all, these prices is crazy. Oh, they got stuff again. $5 for the stuff again. Yo. Cool kids, yo. What's her name? Asaya and what's her name will drink heavily on those. This is the cleaning place. Where the rice? How do you call it the supermarket? Sorry guys, I'm gonna take that out the vlog because you know every place is different. This is really brown rice? Where you see brown rice at?
It don't look right.
But it don't look brown. Maybe you gotta wash it.
Do we have oil?
No, she said get oil. That's like $74.35.
This is $25. Okay, we getting there?
Okay, so convert this one, the oil. That's 20.35.
They have like no wine.
The water's over there.
Alright, I'll look again. So what y'all want me to convert?
The oil. It's hey y'all, so we're back at the house. They over here eating soup. Chippy Cole, he stopped by. He paid us a visit and he brought us some food. Shout out to him. Brought some chicken. What he bring us? She's being a hater. We don't like that. Yeah. Well, stop coming to my vlog with your head looking like that. Ew. He about to. What did he bring us? What's that fried thing? He brought us breadfruit, fried chicken, and mad different soup that we don't know, but they eating it up regardless.
That's suspicious.
That's weird, but okay. First of all, the music playing in the background is gonna get me demonetized, but
Is
YouTube,
everything okay? Are y'all safe?
mind your business. That's Chippy?
No, Kathy.
Oh.
I like chicken ear.
They gon' I don't know if they still doing late night stream because it's getting a little chilly. But I'm about to go shower, and then chill and probably start finish editing so I can have that uploaded by tomorrow and have this uploaded by the next day. And like, you know, and probably do some homework if I got anything. I didn't go on school all today, but yeah, y'all, that's literally, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. Today is what, the 18th, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. So bye. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my vlog. Bye. Ah!